How to fix T-Mobile 5G not working? First of all, you have to restart your phone immediately to force your device to disconnect and establish a fresh connection with the nearest 5G tower. And also to force a network refresh, what you can do is simply swipe downwards from the top of your screen to open this quick panel and turn on the airplane mode for almost 10 seconds, then turn it off to force a clean hardware level handshake with the T-Mobile tower. And also check the T-Mobile network status using any web browser of your choice. Go ahead and tap on that search bar, then type T-Mobile network status. Now once you find the official website, go ahead and tap on this and make sure that the local 5G towers are not down for maintenance. Now all you have to do is go to your device's cellular settings and then head to the network or connections option and make sure to turn off the data saver or the low data mode, which can restrict your phone from utilizing battery-heavy 5G brands. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.